In this video, I'll be going over my July 2024 income report with Amazon KDP. First, let's start with ads. I actually did not run any ads for July 2024, and I haven't run ads since August 2023 currently. And then moving over to orders, I sold 105, or I had 105 books processed and shipped out in July, and I'm pretty happy about that. So I have a total of 271 books in my dashboard right now. Majority of these sales all came from my main niche, which is scrapbook paper and craft paper pad. That's just the main niche that I'm currently publishing and working in. And then I'll explain the rest of the books that sold when I go over the royalties. But my highest day for orders is July 10th at 8, and then July 1st has 7, and then I have a few days at 6, then kind of goes down from there. My lowest is July 7th at 0. Overall, pretty happy with this since it's organic sales. I'm not running ads. Pretty much this is passive income because I'm not really doing anything. I'm not marketing outside of Amazon or anything like that. I have some older YouTube videos and shorts where I've posted some of my books, and sometimes on my personal social media I might post a book or something, but overall I really don't do any marketing or much at all. So very happy for this being organic sales. And then before I move over to royalties, I do just want to show, in case you don't know, that I do have my own craft paper success guide. And this is for scrapbook, craft paper pad. This is for people who are looking to get into this niche specifically. I do go over how to get started with Amazon KDP. So if you're brand new, you don't even have an account yet, which by the way, it is completely free to sign up. This can definitely help you because I walked through how to actually sign up. You'll get a direct email to contact me for any questions that you might have. And the course just covers so much different material. I have an intro to KDP, a niche keyword research, interior creation tutorial, cover creation tutorial, over the shoulder book creation, and more. So I highly recommend checking this out, of course, since it's my own course I created. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know, but I'll have the link in the description below. And then moving on over to royalties, $237.72. And I know this might not seem like a lot of money to some people, but to others, this is a lot of money. This amount was higher than my car payment. However, I actually have been able to pay off my car completely, which I am so very excited about, to be completely debt free, at least for right now, because my husband and I do plan on getting a house, which I'm not sure if I've told all of you that yet. So lots has been going on, been very, very busy, but very excited to have that car finally paid off. But for a while, my payments, my KDP payments, were definitely helping pay my car payments and help me just pay off my car in general. This online income is a blessing that I'm so, so thankful for. And I really hope that all of you are having success in your online businesses. And if you're interested in KDP, I definitely recommend checking Amazon KDP out because it is free to sign up and anybody can do this. I started with zero experience, so if I can do it, anybody can do it, in my opinion. So, anyways, my highest day is July 10th again, around, I think it was around $18 or so. And then July 1st, around $17, $18 as well. And then just went down, and lowest, obviously, $0 July 7th. And then the rest of the books that sold, so majority are all that scrapbook paper, craft paper pad niche, but I also sold one sketchbook, or one type of sketchbook, and then I also sold two different notebooks. So that's pretty cool. I was pretty happy to have a little bit of diversity in there and some other books sell. But I think almost all the sales, like at least 90 were scrapbook, craft paper pad, probably higher, probably more like 100. So majority of the sales are all from that niche. And then if I go to compare books to look at my top 10 made up 80 of the books that sold and then $173.71. So you do not need to have 271 books or thousands of books in order to make money. You can make a lot of money off of one book. You can make a lot of money off of hundreds of books. Like, it really just depends on your books and what you're going for and the quality of your books. So my top 10 bringing in most of the sales just shows that you don't need all of these books in order to make money. And some people made way more than me and they only have one book. So don't think you have to create all of these books or this many books in order to make sales, because you don't. All it takes is one book to make money on Amazon KDP. So let me just show you how this year has been going so far, because it's been a roller coaster for sure with KDP. And typically, my royalties are higher. However, they've been trending downwards a bit, but trying not to really worry about it too much because, again, I'm mostly doing organic sales and it's going to happen in businesses. So, for total sales this year so far, 934. I'm currently recording this on August 15th, 2024. And I am trending downwards. I went up a little bit in March, but then I've been going back down. July went up a bit more, so that's nice. In August, I'm not sure yet since it's currently the 15th. And then for royalties, $2,156.75. Definitely very helpful, but I was making $400 in January, it looks like, and then over 300 in February and March, and maybe April even, or April might be in the 200s. I'm not entirely sure. And then I've been in the 200s pretty much since then. So I'm really hoping the income will start to go up soon. I'm not super confident it's going to unless I start publishing more books, because I feel like I may just have more competitors now and I may just need to have some newer books out there. I have published some books this year, but not many at all. So most of these books are from when I first started, like the first year or two that I started KDP, and I started in December 2021, I think. Wow, that feels like a while ago. So, anyways, just wanted to show this and how it's trending, but it's okay. It's normal if your business is going up and down. It happens all the time. So, try not to stress about it. And I just really hope that your businesses are going well. And if you have any questions, please feel free to comment them below. I try to help and answer as many questions that I can. And then again, if you're interested in learning more about Amazon KDP or this niche, I'll have the link to my course in the description below. It's currently at $77 at the time of recording this video. And I have hours of content on here. I have spent so much time working on this course. You get all updates completely free. You'll have full access to it, even if I make updates or anything like that. So you don't have to worry about paying extra or anything. You don't have to do that. And I just really hope that it's sort of like just a stepping stone or a guide to help you in case you're struggling with making sales and trying to figure out what you might be able to change in your book creation in order to get those sales. So I really appreciate you watching and listening to this video, and I hope that it was helpful. So thank you so much for all of your support, and I hope that you have a great day.